Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hello. My name is Destiny. Alrighty guys, so today I did this relook. I don't know, the word's just not coming to mind right now. But anyways, I saw this makeup look on a Instagram page. Her name is Serena Khadija. She does really dope makeup, so definitely check her out. But when I saw this look, I'm like, ooh, I really want to try to do this. So that's what we're doing today. It's not obviously as perfect as hers is. I think hers is super flawless, but I'm really trying to tap into that creative makeup niche. So I tried. Slowly but surely we'll get there. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I did this look, continue to watch. Also guys, I forgot to mention, I got this palette on Amazon. I saw it and I'm like, ooh, the colors looked really dope and had really great reviews. So we are going to be featuring this palette. It's Color Fusion Over the Rainbow by Beauty Glazed. Let me show you what the inside looks like before starting. So the colors are really dope. So I wanted to test it out to see how it holds up. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into the video. First, I'm using the Poreless Face Primer by e.l.f. I used way too much of this primer. A little definitely goes a long way. It was my first time using it, and I got a little carried away, but for sure, if you do use this, just keep in mind that a little does go a long way. So you definitely don't need as much as I put on. Next, I'm going in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer. Next, I am using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop face foundation in the shade Cappuccino, and just dabbing that in to make sure it covers my whole entire face. Okay, so I already did the one side and now I'm going to be showing you how I did the other. So using this dark green, I am using it on the outside of my eye and also the inside of my eye, just going around the eyelid. Then I am taking the lighter shade and going in the middle. I'm then using the light shimmer green and putting it on the middle of my eyelid. Okay guys, so this is where the fun begins, or I say the challenge begins. So I'm using the concealer and just drawing shapes, circles, irregular circles around my eye to make the smiley faces. Then I am going back in with the light green and just dabbing it inside of the circles and just packing on the color. Next, I am using my H2O waterproof eyeliner and just using that to make the circles. This is where the challenge really began. My circles aren't perfect, or the lining isn't perfect. I would definitely recommend maybe using a skinnier brush. I did not have one at the time, so this had to do. But yeah, and I'm just going over all the circles and then I'm drawing in the smiley faces, sorry.
again.
Next, I put my eyelashes, but off camera. And then using the same palette, I'm using the pink shade and just using it as a blush. And just going over my cheeks and my nose. Next, I'm using my Wet n Wild lip liner. And then I am using a clear lip gloss to go over my lips. And there you have it, guys. This is the end result.